no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, back with another video. We finally got our other carbon pieces in, carbon fiber pieces in for my ZX10RR. So we're going to go ahead and do a installation video on that, and once we finish with the install, let's see what the end results look like. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. I'll see you guys in a few. Peace. Okay, as you can see, I already have carbon fiber installed on the swinging arm and on the rear tire hugger. So I'm just going to be adding, as you can see what I'm pointing out, the new carbon fiber in these general areas.
Yeah. All right. Son of a Gottem style, you get me? Yeah. New whip outside is different. Ask me where to cop it, mind your business. New whip outside, I'm vicious. Ask me where to cop it, I'll admit it. Can't you tell that I'm riding with it? 5 or 6, I can't find those digits. Line them up and say mind your business. Don't you know that my mind is different? Can't you tell that I'm riding with it? 5 or 6, I can't find those digits. Line them up and say mind your business. Don't you know that I'm riding with it? I'm riding with it. You can't see the size, ain't norm. I ain't reached my final form. I gotta teach inside a storm. I gotta reach inside it. No, I don't need beside him. By and large, I don't preach no violence. Wifey right beside him. I am calm, I am different. I enlisted, fired up but not find the mischief. I am one to find time and listen. Lighten up the entire district. I am one to take time and find it. If they hate, they can't ride beside us. New whip, this time we ride it. All my people know out of towners. Yeah. New whip outside is different. Ask me where to cop it, mind your business. New whip outside, I'm vicious. Ask me where to cop it, I'll admit it. Can't you tell that I'm riding with it? 5 or 6, I can't find those digits. Line them up and say mind your business. Don't you know that my mind is different? Can't you tell that I'm riding with it? 5 or 6, I can't find those digits. Line them up and say mind your business. Don't you know that I'm riding with it? Don't you know that we timeless? That thing we cop, can't hide it. That thing we drop, can't find it. That new car drop, we ride it. Pull up, park up right beside a full-time rapper. Check my mileage. I gotta move the minus. I got a new allowance. Another one, King B. They say I done enough, they can't see. I'm not a runner-up who can't breathe. I'm still the son of what? Of Augustine. How I keep coming up and then erupting. Looking like I should never be amongst them. I should be out there in the function. Young and free, the end of discussion. Whoa. The end of discussion. Whoa. Young and free, the end of discussion. Whoa. The end of discussion. Whoa. Yeah. New whip outside is different. Ask me where to cop it, mind your business. New whip outside, I'm vicious. Ask me where to cop it, I'll admit it. Can't you tell that I'm riding with it? 5 or 6, I can't find those digits. Line them up and say mind your business. Don't you know that my mind is different? Can't you tell that I'm riding with it? 5 or 6, I can't find those digits. Line them up and say mind your business. Don't you know that I'm riding with it?
like Cinderella teens. You should see the things I fit inside these denim jeans. I can't associate with y'all, this shit like ketamine. Been on one, been on two, been on everything. Bitch, I'm with my gang, with my squad, what the fuck you want? So be rolling gas, I can't hang, bitch, I'm fucking gone. I got people down from the jump, better know your bonds. I got people just tuning in, and the love is strong. Damn, they gon' want a piece when you got it like that. Like Jake said, we gon' spend it, get it right back. Stack that internet money till the site crash. They on IG, tryna get a like back. See, they don't talk that talk, they just type fast. Yeah, we real life, cool, it's really like that. I might roll an eighth inside a blunt, that's a nightcap. Like where my lighter at, boy, I got a flight to catch. Through these ups and these downs, with a guy and a dead thing changed. Don't forget where that sauce came from, best remember my name. You take L's once in a while, gotta charge to the game. You gotta charge it to the game. Yeah, yeah. Through these ups and these downs, swear to God, ain't a dead thing changed. Don't forget where that sauce came from, best remember my name. Ooh. I'm just trying to make my bread and feed the fam. Need to grow up like Peter Pan. Sometimes I get so high I never land. Ain't no need to overthink it, I already understand. They be plotting on my downfall and need another plan. But we welcome all that hating, I'm like thank you, come again. Made a stack off the game and gave 100 to my man. I don't owe no money to him, I just did it cause I can. Yeah, round shit, we ain't on no clown shit. You a product of the people that you stick around with. Don't get caught up in the evil, that'll have you down bad. Ain't no way around that, you gon' need a bounce back, yeah. Posted up with the people I came up with. Charge a couple else to the game, but I still love it. I keep it low key in order to stay above it. I make it all out of nothing, yeah. Through these ups and these downs, with a guy and a dead thing changed. Don't forget where that sauce came from, best remember my name. You take L's once in a while, gotta charge to the game. You gotta charge it to the game. Yeah, yeah. Through these ups and these downs, with a guy and a dead thing changed. Don't forget where that sauce came from, best remember my name. You take L's once in a while, gotta charge to the game. You gotta charge it to the game. Yeah, yeah.
Ready, yeah. Oh, locked in, they don't wanna let me get out. I'ma put you on a bitch, you gotta sit out. Hit the street and had a block going crazy. Mama shit, I'm playing with my life and can't nobody save me up. I got steez, they can't mess with my technique. Yeah, I'm a OG boy, don't disrespect me. Yeah. War with me, I had your whole gang quarantine. Get them mobs and leave your block spotless like I'm Mr. Clean. Ooh. Back in 2010, I had a plan. Now 2021, they run the bands. Living in the future, I'm advanced. And when I get back outside, I make sure they understand I'm the man. Yeah, I'm the man. That's right. I make sure they understand that I'm the man. I'm the man. Yeah, I'm the man. If you ain't talking about no bands, that's a language I don't understand. I'm the man. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, ooh, yeah. Gang, gang, gang. I'm the man. Yeah, I'm the man. Yeah, you had a chance and now you lost. Hey, that's expensive. What it cost? Lot of bands. I don't look, I just floss. I be dripping like I'm Voss. Hit them all and bought it all. All my diamonds clear. Blue diamonds is flawless. I could be a designer, you could shop up in my closet. Yeah, all my pieces custom, you can't go find it at Target. Bought a crib with my wallet, and I ain't even pay a deposit. Yeah, what now? We pull up with no sticks. Bust down, 2010, I had a plan. Now 2021, they bring them bands. I've been living in the future, I'm advanced. And when I get back outside, I make sure they understand I'm the man. That's right. I make sure they understand that I'm the man. I'm the man. Yeah.
My time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my shit.